My name is Lorena Caterina Trujillo. I am 26 years old. I am from Nariño in Ancuya. I am a student in the working, like to exercise and like culinary, to listen to music and like math. I don't like history. I don't like literature. I am a student accounting going. I live in the garage, a very cold city. I spend around 6 in the morning. My house is here 17 Jardines de las Mercedes. These are my typical activities of the day. I get at 7 a.m. I don't work activities from the week common. My profession, I come home, go to him, shower in the premium with going joy. I am thank my transport change. I am going to get to work around 12 from. I am going to out. Let's routine at some point again. My job is consume service at a house, a store, in head home at 6 p.m. in Mac dinner the branch and go to bed.